This is the regular sweet tea experience, which has won more than just Southern hearts for years. However, I wouldn't be showing you a simple recipe like this without a few changes. Based on the idea of coffee jelly, this dessert has refreshing cubes of black tea jelly, topped with syrupy fruit and a heavy drizzle of cream. Measure your water into a pan and get it heating to a simmer. While you wait, bloom your gelatin by combining it with water and allowing it to sit for a few minutes. Once the water is hot, remove it from the heat and stir in the sugar. I like my cooking to have moderate amounts of sweetness, but if you wish it to be sweeter, you can alter that here. Fill up a tea basket with your dried black tea. I'm using a breakfast blend. However, you can use whatever black tea you prefer. Steep this in the hot water for 4 minutes. After removing the tea basket, stir in your bloom gelatin. Once dissolved, transfer this liquid to a dish and place it in the fridge to set for a few hours. The fruit which we'll prepare depends on what's in season and also what you enjoy eating, but I do suggest it either be peaches, plums, raspberries, blackberries, or strawberries. I originally designed the recipe to be based around peaches, but I took a little longer than I expected in making the video and they dropped out of season. So we're using plums today instead, but feel free to explore the different options you have and just personalize it to what you enjoy eating. To a saucepan, combine sugar, lemon juice, water, and salt. While stirring, heat this until it dissolves. Then, while the fruit is being prepared, the syrup can thicken over low heat. Cube the stone fruit if that is what you're using. When the syrup has become as runny as honey, add in your fruit. Occasionally stir this while giving it time to absorb its syrup. It should resemble this. To assemble this dessert is quite simple, as all we have to do is cut our black tea jelly into cubes and arrange them in a fancy glass or any small dish that has character to it. Top it with the plums, getting some of that syrup on there too. And, though this is optional, drizzle on some heavy cream. The flavor of the jelly is very refreshing, and it's not as bitter as it's not bitter at all, which I imagine it would be since it's black tea, but I think the fact that it wasn't steeped long helped reduce the bitterness in it, and it just has a very gentle note altogether. The plums is where the flavor and the sweetness comes in. Very, very good. And then the cream just nicely brings everything together, because you kind of have two textures that are a bit unusual together, the jelly and the syrup. And so I think the cream kind of emulsifies that, and it's overall just really good, extremely refreshing, delicious summer dessert, and yeah, I'll be making this quite a bit.